how I load down my bike. Seem like a little too much to you? Keep in mind that that is everything I need. I can live on my bike for up to 2 years, even longer if I really had to, with that exact load. And not just live off my bike, but also produce all this content. That means video editing, recording, computers, hard drives, everything I need to live off the road, camping, survival. I could live without power and without a restaurant or a gas station for days in the woods. So I'll go over everything I do carry in the bag in my next video, but yeah, before you go say it's too much, think about what you would all need if you were to take a trip like that.